Since its inception in 2013 under LJ Knowledge Foundation, Entrepreneur, the business incubator, has become a vibrant launchpad for student-led and early-stage startups. It is the space where ideas are nurtured, transformed, and scaled into impactful ventures, creating an ecosystem of innovation and entrepreneurship. Our vision is to be a crucible of creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Our mission is to create and strengthen the startup ecosystem, attract youth towards entrepreneurship, promote women entrepreneurs, and build networks with government, investors, professionals, and alumni. At Entrepreneur, every idea goes through a structured journey from validation and prototyping to incubation, scaling, and commercialization. With mentoring, IPR guidance, industry evaluation, and funding support, we ensure ideas are built to last. Welcome to Entrepreneur, where ideas evolve into impactful businesses. Here, we nurture entrepreneurs, build ecosystems, and fuel innovation. Our incubation center offers world-class facilities from deal rooms and brainstorming zones to incubator offices, student co-working spaces, libraries, and conference areas. Specialized spaces include the auditorium, Autodesk Lab, cafeteria, green campus, InTAS setup, IoT lab, laser cutting machine lab, and plant tissue culture lab, providing a holistic ecosystem for innovation. The IoT Smart Lab is a rapid prototyping powerhouse where innovators use 3D printing, electronics, CNC, and IoT demonstrations to transform bold concepts into reality. At Entrepreneur, numbers speak for themselves. 1,807 innovations pre-incubated and 213 students and matured startups supported and funded. A collective valuation of 1,861.5 crore rupees with 14.69 crore rupees in government and CSR funding, and portfolio startups generating 161.5 crore rupees in revenue. Through regular startup discussions, we bring together mentors, investors, and students exchanging insights that shape tomorrow's businesses. Shakteens gives teenagers the platform to pitch bold ideas, gain mentorship, and experience the entrepreneurial journey. Women Investing in Women empowers women entrepreneurs by connecting them with mentors, investors, and supportive networks. LJ Innovation Village, our flagship expo, brings startups, mentors, industry leaders, and innovators together on a grand stage of collaboration. Antaracon is our premier fundraising platform, enabling promising startups to pitch directly to angel investors and secure vital funding. Our capacity-building programs equip students and entrepreneurs with essential skills, leadership, and innovation-driven thinking. Behind every success is a passionate team. Dr. Viral Shah, Ms. Debopriya Chakrabarti, Mr. Bhushan Mehta, Ms. Hiral Desai, Mr. Yash Upadhyay. From refining ideas to securing investors, from IPR guidance to scaling, Entrepreneur provides end-to-end support. Today, our startups create jobs, value, and innovation that truly matter. Entrepreneur, where innovation meets incubation, ambition meets action, and the future is built. Join us.